Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this choose and swap problem of the GFG. So in this problem, we are given a string S of lowercase English alphabets and we have to choose any two characters from the string and we have to replace all occurrences of the first character and second character with each other. Like suppose if first occurrence is Z, means first character is Z, first is A and second is Z. Then in our string where a will comes, we will change that particular position to j, and where z is come, we will change it to a. Okay, like if suppose if this is our string a z, after changing, this will look like a z a. Both will swap each other position. Okay, so this is what we have to do, and we have to find out the lexicographically smallest string that can be possible by doing this operation at most one. Means we have to do this particular operation zero number of time, or at most one times. So how we will forward to do the solution? So suppose for the example case ccad. Now this is the example case, and we have to find out the minimum lexicographically smallest string. Okay, lexicographically smallest string. So in lexicographically smallest string, our main focus should be on how can we reduce this character. Okay, we will check if there is any character presents in the string which is less than this, means, and the character less than cr a and b. Then we will check for from a, because we have to put down the minimum character. Suppose if we have b also and we have a also, then we will prioritize a. Okay, we will want to take a because a will make our string more smaller lexicographical. Okay, so here we can see, here it is a. So what we can say, our first character is a, second it's c. So our string will look like a here, and a replaced with c and it is with g. So this is our string a c d. We can see the answer a c d. And next example is a b b a. Now next example is a b b a. Here this is a, we will check if there is any smallest character than a is possible. Then we will found no, we will found no. Okay, so we will move on. Now we will check for this. If we cannot make it more we cannot make it more smaller, then we will try to make it. Now we will try to make b more smaller with a, because we have a. But suppose if we take a and b as our first and second character, then what is our string will look like? A replaced with b, b with a, again b with a with b. Now this is, you will see, not lexicographical smallest, because here it is starting with a, it is with b. Why? We will check the character we are changing, like here b and a. We will check the first occurrence of this a, the first occurrence of this a should not be come before b. Suppose our string is this, no, our string is e c e d, or I can say d e. Suppose if this is our string, okay, or I should write it here. Suppose this is our string c d e, c d e. No, c e d. This is our string. Okay, suppose this is our string. Then for c, we does not have any character that is minimum to it. But for e, we have d. So what our string will look like? C d e. Okay, but now suppose if c d e is our string, c d e, then for c, we does not have any string, we does not have any character. But for d we have character, but for d we also not have we have character c. But for d we have character c. Okay, so here ignore this example. Okay, ignore this, because here e will replace by c. Okay, this is, ignore this. What I want to tell you is this: for d we will change it with d. Here d will come, here c will come, and afterward string remains same. But in these two character, our string will not become lexicographically small, but it will become maximum lexicographical, because it is starting with c, it is with d, so we cannot swap it. But suppose similarly, so but suppose if here is c d e. Okay, we don't have any character, but suppose if it is like c e or d. suppose if this is a character, then for C it does not have any character. For E we cannot take C because C come before E. Okay, so we will not take C as while our string will increase lexicographically. Okay, but we have a character D. Can we take character D? Yes, we can take. After taking C and D, C, D. So this is lexicographically smaller. This is what I want to tell you. We will swap E and D, but for a different reason. Okay. So this is the string that we want to take. Here we cannot swap E with C, but we can swap E with D. Why? Because C comes before E, so we cannot change E with C. But here D comes after E, so if we put down D here, then it means our this starting string remains same. This is our E, this some string between E and D, this is our D, and this is some string. This is some string after D, and if our this string remains same, okay, I should write down this with some other color. This will become D, this character remains same, this will become E, and this string will remain same. And you can see these both are equal, but this character and this character having the character of this string is minimum, so this is lexicographically smallest string that we can make out from it. Suppose here it is Z, here it is Y, here it is Z, here it is Y. Okay, here suppose here is A, because we cannot swap A with E, so we will swap and we will get A D Z E Y is our minimum string. Okay, so what I want to say, we have to swap two character C and D, but we can only swap it if C comes after D as well. We have to continue. Okay, this is our imitations. So now how we will do it? We take a vector of size 26, initialize it with -1, and for each character, if our VAI minus A means our ith character, here 0 will represent A and 25 will represent the index of alphabet Z. If it is -1 means we are first time facing this particular character, so we just put down the index of that character in our I. It is the first index, and we take two character X and Y, initialize it with exclamation marks. Okay, and for each character of our AI, we take a variable O, YO. If we found a XY pair, then we will just break it. Suppose for suppose this is a string, and for his number I found a pair with his particular index. Suppose this is E, this is D. Then why we not have to further proceed? Suppose if this is F, suppose this is G. Okay, then this is G, or you can say this is G, or this is F. This is F. Okay, then we will swap E and D. Then I will get the minimum character here, so I don't need to look out further, because if it remains G, then also my string is lexicographically minimum, because here D will come. Okay, I hope you all understand it. Okay, so if we found a pair, I just initialize O with 1 and break out, and if O is 1, then I just break out here. Okay, this is from this loop, and this O is for final outer loop. Okay, then how we are proceed? We are starting with character A to character AI minus A less than AI minus A. Suppose if my AI is E, then what is AI minus A? AI is E. E minus A will give you A B C D E. Will gives you 4. Why 4? Here A is 0, B is 1, C is 2, D is 3, D is 3, and E is 4. Okay, suppose for a minute, if A minus A is equal to 4, B minus A, because this is the ASCII code. ASCII code of B is equal to 1 plus A, or we can say ASCII code, we will decrease the ASCII code. ASCII code of A is equal to A, this is 2 plus A. Okay, so from ASCII code of C, if we minus A, then it is 2 plus A minus A, then it will give us 2. For C, value will remains 2, because O will decrease down for this A. Okay, so we will go 4 for this particular value. Then we have to check for has then 4, you can see. So for 1, for 2, for 0, for 1, for 2, and for 3, we will check. 0 means A, 1 means B, 2 means C, 3 means D. We will check for A, B, C, D, because if we go F, G, H, I, then these are not of my use, because I have to make it more lexicographically smallest. And if, okay, we will check for A to D, like means the smallest character rule. and if my vj means the smallest character that I have, the index of that particular, the first index of that particular character is greater than the index of my current character, means my current character come here and my this a b c d comes here, or in any range from this I plus 1 to n minus 1, and I is the current index, and is the size of the string I am supposed here. Okay, then my x is j plus a, means if j is 0 then it is a, if j is 1 then a plus 1 is equal to b c, like suppose. Okay, and y is the character of my ai, and if my x is equal to exclamation mark, I will just return a. It means we never found a pair, so we will just return a. Else while what we do, for all the character we are putting address here, because we have to change the string. If my I is equal to x, then we make my I is equal to y. Else while if my I is equal to y, then I change it to x, and I just return a at last. After this is my changing string, you can see the correct output. So you guys can see all the 500 test cases are pass out. Time taken is very rare because I just do it in 26 into n, maybe less than 26 into n also, you can say. So I hope you all understand it what we have done. I give you many examples here how we will do it, why we will do it. So I hope you will understand it. I explain it very well, and if still you have any doubt, then just comment out. I will try my best to explain you, and in the meanwhile you can subscribe the channel, like the video, and check out my channel for more these type of videos, and stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching this.